It is said we learn more from our failures than our successes. The question to ask is, how can you learn from future failure now? Because when patients die, doctors perform a postmortem. It's a systematic search into the root causes of a patient's death. And you don't want to wait for your project to fail to learn these lessons. So what can you do to understand this right now, to actually get insight into failure right at the beginning? Well, it starts with switching to a future mindset. It's where you conduct a pre-mortem at the beginning to avoid the post-mortem at the end. Here's your tip. Imagine a time machine shows up and takes you 2 to 3 years in the future. When you arrive, news of your project's failure is everywhere. The headlines of your favorite news sources, the covers of your favorite magazines, and because you now have a time machine, you have perfect hindsight in this future. You have a chance to find out what had happened so you can fix it before it actually starts. You can find out now what will cause your project to fail. So take an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, draw 2 plus symbols on it. From this future mindset, in these 8 corners, capture what others are saying about your failure from that future mindset. What critical things were not done? What non-critical things did you do? What problems remain? What new problems emerged? What did others do that caused you to fail? What wrong assumptions did you make? And what did you do to cause failure? And as importantly, what did you not do to cause failure? Because when you're done, you have an opportunity to create similar worksheets for your team and share them. Let everyone answer the same questions. Remember, this is a search for identifying common problems. And with this future mindset, you get a chance to see what others in your team see. And you're building a common pre-mortem from across your team and their perspective. This creates a lighthouse, a means to warn you of danger ahead. It's as if the future is giving you a chart to success. You also have a valuable tool for avoiding disaster, a tool to enable everyone to speak up when your project is steering towards the rocks of failure. You have a pre-mortem, a gift from the future. It is a guide for avoiding disaster. Cheers.